My name is Rakshanda, and today I would like to throw some light and share with you my journey with Rachit Khate. Uh, I have known Rachit for the past 18 months, actually more than that. And when I sit back today and recollect as to what kind of a person I was 18 months ago, there is a vast difference between the two person I am. It's like uh, there's an outer layer, an outer covering that has been peeled off from my entire identity. I would say an identity that was false before. Like, for example, if you're having a papaya, you have the pulp of the papaya, you don't eat the peel, right? So I didn't know that I had that kind of a pulp inside me. I was covered with the unwanted peel around mentally. And Rachit did his very best to peel that unwanted layer of me so that I can breathe, I can explore, I can know my full potential. Today, when I see the things that used to bother me earlier, which are actually very petty matters, like family relations, friends relations, career, etc. And we are honestly, from our childhood, we are conditioned to think that certain things, if it's if that particular thing falls inside a box, inside a border set by the society, then only a particular thing is possible to be achieved. But Rajat showed me a pathway that there's always a possibility of thinking outside the box. Like in school, in colleges, teachers do tell us to think outside the box, but when we actually think outside the box, we are judged. But Rachit, he has a non-judgmental pair of eyes. Like he judges you based on what you have achieved, in the sense like achieved freedom, achieved power, achieved the steering wheel of your own life. That is his judgment, and with his judgment, he helps you achieve that kind of things, like the freedom that you want, everything. If I were to name down or list down the freedoms that or list down the things which I have conquered in life, they are endless. They might not be materialistic, but there is a feeling, there is a sensation within you that says that yes, I can explore anything, I can achieve anything, I can manifest anything that I want on this planet. Of course, it's not like I sit down and I rub the Aladdin lamp and I get it. No, he teaches us, he taught me like what conviction is, what manifestation is, and how to achieve, how to actually manifest anything that you want with hard works, with the required amount of hard works, not by shedding off the restrictive thoughts, negative thoughts, and converting those negative thoughts into positive energy. How it is done that, and how you can use that positive energy to manifest things that you actually want in life, that is going to take you beyond you, that beyond something that you can only dream of. He made me realize that dreams are nothing but a potential reality. Dreams are not fairy tales. Dreams are potential reality. So, this is just a brief of my journey with him. And I think he has been the most amazing mentor of my life. Without him, I wouldn't have been able to stand on my feet metaphorically, stand on my feet and think of all the possible things that I want to do in life. Be it staying alone, be it starting new business, be it tapping into my making my hobby a profession, etc., etc. Anything that you think of under this planet is possible. It is possible, and I am a living example of that because I have made things happen. I have manifested things which I 18 months ago had thought to be impossible at any given cost. So this is what the truth is, and this is not sugar coated. This is raw what I'm saying. So that's it.